If I was your alarm clock, these would be my rules. Rule number one, I only wake you up if it's actually important. Rule number two, when you press snooze, I actually wait 10 minutes, not two. Rule number three, I wake you up with your favorite song, not a heart attack sound. Rule number four, no alarms on weekends. That's illegal. Rule number five, if you're really tired, I automatically cancel school for you. Rule number six, I slowly wake you up so you're not confused about what year it is. If you want me as your alarm clock, hit subscribe.